Hello, in this video, I will go over quiz 2. So quiz 2 says graph the quadratic function completely, find vertex, y-intercept, x-intercept if possible, domain, range, determine where the intervals are increasing or decreasing. Okay, so y equals x minus 6 squared plus 3. So what we're going to need is, let's find the vertex. So my vertex is horizontal shift comma vertical shift. So it's just 6 comma 3 because my horizontal shift is 6 and my vertical shift is 3. The AOS is x equals 6. And let's find the y-intercept. You set y to 0, so that's going to be y of 0 equals to 0 minus 6 squared plus 3. So negative 6 squared is 36 plus 3, which is 36 plus 3 is 37, 38, 39. Is that correct? Let me check. Yeah, it's very high up there. And our y-intercept, so we found our y-intercept, axis symmetry. What else do we need? Let's find our x-intercept if we have any. So you set y to 0, and then you have x minus 6 squared plus 3. Foil this out. This is going to be x squared minus 2 times ab, so that's 12x plus 36 plus 3. 36 plus 3 is 37, 38, 39. And what else? So let's figure out our A, B, and C. So my A is 1, my B is negative 12, and my C is 39. So let's just do the discriminant rule. It's B squared minus 4AC. So B squared is, I think it's 144. 1 and C is 39. Let me get my calculator. So that's 144 minus 156. So I know for a fact that's negative. It's like negative 12. So if it's less than 0, you have none. Okay, so we don't have an x-intercept. That's fine. So let's start graphing. Okay, so 6 comma 3 is 2, 4, 6, and then here's 3. My y-intercept is 0 comma 39. So let's pretend, because our scale will never be in scale, it's too high. Let's pretend this is 39. And I need another point because 2 points doesn't really cut it. So what should we use? We should use, I think I'll use 6, 7, 8. I think I'll use 9 as my x value. So plug in 9 into the function. That's 3 square plus 3. So that is 9 plus 3, which is 10, 11, 12. So you get 9 comma 12. Yeah, this graph is obviously not going to be in scale. Let's pretend this is 12. Okay, so it should look something like this, roughly, right? Keep in mind my graph is not in scale. Okay, so and then the axis symmetry is x equals 6. Let's figure out the domain and range. So the domain is all real numbers. So from negative infinity to positive infinity. And then the range, smallest y value to largest y value. So our smallest y value is at 3. So it's going to be bracket 3. And then it just shoots up to infinity. Okay. And then is it increasing, decreasing? So over here, it's going downhill. So that's decreasing. And then over here, it's going uphill. So decreasing is from negative infinity to the x value 6, right? And then increasing from 6 to positive infinity. Okay, yeah, that's pretty much it for this quiz. And go ahead and pause if you need to. And I guess I will stop here.